This can be done on a computer or a phone. If you are using a phone, go to YouTube desktop. If you are using the computer, go to YouTube Studio. Now that we're on channel dashboard, we're going to go to videos. For this tutorial, I made 2 videos so that you would understand this tutorial clearly. So I know you are probably wondering, how do I identify if my videos have copyright claims? Well, let me explain this for you. So we're on videos. As I mentioned before, I have 2 videos that have copyright claim and I have 2 that do not have any copyright claim. When you're on videos, you will see visibility, restriction, date. So you want to pause at restriction, and you definitely want to check down the line of your videos if you see any form of copyright claim there. So that's how you find out if your videos have copyright claim. Another way to check if you have copyright claim is to hit the filter button. That button will give you a lot of options, including the copyright claim. And this will save you a lot of time, so you won't need to go through your videos to find out if you have copyright claim. Now that we are clear on that part, we're going to remove our copyright claim. So where you have copyright claim, you're going to click on that and you will see details. Click on the see details and it will bring you to this page. You will see a bit of information here. You can read into that more. So where you see this arrow, that is where the copyright section is. So we're going to see action and we can trim out the segment. Please bear in mind that if you trim out the segment, your video will become shorter. So I definitely would not recommend you to trim out the segment of your video if you do not want your video to get shorter. If you trim out the segment, then some part of your video will be gone. So I do not recommend this for certain videos. So we do have a few other options like replacing the song and muting the song, but let me show you what happens when you trim the video out. The trimming process will just take a few minutes. So while they are trimming that video out, we're going to move on to the next video and we are going to explore the options that we have. So I have mentioned before that the first video that I trimmed had more copyright sections than this one. This one we're just going to mute the song. Also, when you're exploring the mute song option, please bear in mind that there are 2 sections. You have the mute all sound when song plays and you have the mute song only. If you choose the mute all sound when song plays, all the sound in that section of your video will be muted. So even though the mute song only will take a while before it mutes, I think that's the best option to use. Even though the mute song only is the best option, Sometimes YouTube will not be able to mute the song only depending on how long your video is, so you will definitely need to mute all sounds or replace the song. After leaving it for a few minutes and I came back, I realized that the one that I muted, that one is perfect, no more copyright claim. But the one that I trimmed, you still see copyright claim there, only because the content was mostly copyright claim content. If you look keenly, you will realize that the video is shorter. However, we still have work to do. So we are going to trim the video again to see if we can remove all that copyright claim from it. So I came back 3 minutes later and the copyright claim is gone. However, the video is now 8 seconds. Remember when we started, the video was 30 seconds. So that's why I have explained that trimming the video is not really the best option for some videos. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye.